This rich and fluffy vanilla buttercream frosting is an excellent alternative to regular cream cheese frosting for your carrot cake. This classic frosting also goes well with other cakes, muffins, or even cookies. Here is how to make this classic fluffy buttercream frosting. You will need 4 simple ingredients: 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1½ cups or 340 grams of room temperature butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, 6 cups or 680 grams of powdered sugar. Using a whisk or an electric mixer, whip the butter for about 10 minutes until light, creamy, and pale in color. An electric mixer makes the job so much easier, and your frosting will turn out more smooth, creamy, and luscious. While the butter is being mixed, sift the icing sugar. Sifting removes all the lumps and helps make the buttercream lighter and fluffier by adding more air. Once the butter is light and pale, start adding the powdered sugar. Add 1 tablespoon at a time. Let the sugar fully blend in before adding more. Once the sugar is mixed in, add the vanilla extract and keep mixing. Scrape the side of the bowl to make sure all the butter gets mixed properly. Now, add a little bit of milk to make the frosting lighter and more spreadable. Mix for another few minutes. Now your buttercream is ready to be used. Using a spoon or spatula, spread a generous layer of buttercream over the entire cake. If you want to get really creative with your frosting, you can use a piping bag and different shapes and size nozzles for more detailed decorations. Check out my list of other 15 clever and delicious cream cheese frosting alternatives for carrot cake. I have left the link in the description below the video. Check it out now.